nhiều phụ prangut ki samla ki badai na ka kanhon ka balai ban sha ai jing hikai kumno ban yada habadon kino ki jingjia ki basngausi bat ki jingling shop ka mariang kum ka jingslei ka jingki ujumai bat ki wei ya ka balatip kum ka Yuva Aapda Mitra Volunteers Training Program kila pyndep pura ya ka jingsha ai jing hikai ka bahnyo sngi lenter ka bala penlong Ri Bhoi College Hanongpo kani ka program kelas dang nadu ka nyo trek rempang hajar phonreu hadu ka arpnyo trik rempang hajar phonreu kabala penlong daka District Disaster Management Authority Ri Bhoi District bat kidon hadu nyau puprangut ki samla volunteers lengba ka Yuva Aapda Mitra scheme kibala sha hikai banlong ki volunteers kibadei ru ka kunhun kabalai lane ka that batch na ki college baper jong ka Ri Bhoi kibala yo ek jing hikai ban pentibet kumno ban ai jing yarap ya ki pajba ha kapor badon kanu ka jingjia ka basngausi ha ka te ka program penkut no ya ka te ka program ai jing hikai lawan ru ban ya simbanta da ka kong birani ADC Ri Bhoi Dr. Ikhar Kongor Principal ka Ri Bhoi College ba Jemautho District Disaster Management Officer Ri Bhoi BK Swer Deputy Controller Civil Defense Nongpo lembat ki wei ha ka te ka sngi na kaliang ka DDMA kala sam ya ki khusnam bat ki sernot syakite ki samla ki bla pendep ya ki jihikai ka bahnyau sngi
risk reduction, disasters mitigation. I'm super delighted and to be able to complete this 3 batches of trained volunteers. I think even Vasware will agree with me that it fills us with a sense of achievement that we have 278 people who are actually more aware, with more knowledge of good, and with better understanding of disaster. So I hope that the 70 training that you have undergone has benefited you a lot. It is also equally delightful to listen to the testimony of the 2 volunteers who have undergone training in this last batch. I can see that you are filled with a different sense of awareness, a different sense of discipline, a different sense of commitment to your community. So as you all know, I think our officers at the inaugural function must have briefed you the purpose of training our local youth. So in times of disaster, I hope that we all rise to the occasion. It is a bit also surprising that we always have more female volunteers. That's where. Joe, I think we must take note of that. We should have an equal number. It seems that women are enthusiastic to join the program, but I hope that in the coming years we'll have more participation from boys also. But I also feel again with pride that you all have been imparted a very systematic kind of training where you are very much able to deal with disasters when you are required to volunteer. So with the aim of strengthening and equipping our youth, with a level of awareness and knowledge in how to deal with disaster, the day today has come to the end, and I'm happy to also announce to everyone present here that we will be distributing very soon, by the month of March, the emergency response kits to all of you. So I would like to again emphasize on the importance of your presence on that particular day. We'll be having one big function where all of you will be distributed individually the emergency response kits that have been prepared from the DLM district. So without much ado, I
concluded today, the 26th of February 2026. Now we have 70 active participants who participated throughout this entire training of 7 days. And I should say that they are very enthusiastic about this entire training, right from the very beginning until this very end. They have been trained on various concepts of the disaster management, ranging from earthquake safety, landslides, floods rescue, BLS, basic life support, CPR, and then from the DMHO we got training on snakes and animal bites, certain injuries such as skeletal injuries, and the various basic SSAR, search and rescue techniques such as bandaging, stretchers and ropes. And throughout this training, I would say you have performed really well. And I urge each and every one of you here to continue practicing on your own all these techniques, all these methods which you learn, keep on bettering yourself, keep on practicing yourself, even at your own home, even at your own colleges, because sooner rather than later, which we don't want to expect any disaster to happen anytime soon, but just in case anything happens, you will be the first one to be responding. Clear? There are certain cases when the district administration, like from the DC office, when they require, whenever they require services, I urge you to kindly respond to that. With the training that you equip yourself, you can do so much help in the entire community. So with these viewers,